Hey everyone, enjoy the show. How you doing? Happy Friday to you. It's hot all over the place, so let's just enjoy this weekend. What we have here is beautiful 37-inch embossed mug root beer sign. Really, really cool. You get off to the side of it just so you can see the effects of the embossed, the foam coming out of the glass. Really, really a great piece. So if this is your brand, jump on it. These signs have been selling quickly. Or if you just want something to start your collection off, it looks great in the background, this is for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the